Hello student, today we will do question number A of question number 1 from exercise Test Yourself of chapter 2, Concise Mathematics class 10. So without further ado, let's get started. The question is, in a recurring deposit account, John deposits rupees 500 per month for 24 months. If the interest he earns is 1/10 of his total deposit, the rate of interest we have to find. So here P is equal to rupees 500, N is equal to 24 months. So total deposit will be deposit is equal to P into N, means 500 into 24 is equal to rupee is 12,000. This is total deposit. Now question is, if the interest he earns is 1/10 of his total deposit, so interest will be 1/10 of his total deposit, means 1/10 into 12 means rupees 1200. Now we will use this formula. I is equal to P into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 10. Using this formula, we will write 1200 is equal to P is 500 into 24 into 25 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 10. This should be cut, this should be cut. This. So R is equal to then 1200 divided by 5 into 25. So it will cut 5 to 14. Again it will cut by 5 and put it by 5. 9.6%. So option number 2. This is answer. This is answer. I hope you must have understood the solution today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.